Okay, so I just wanted to go over a few other things. I'm gonna multitask here because I need to get ready to go actually to the gym. But I just wanted to give a quick more tidbits here. So it's really important whenever you're doing a set, I'm gonna bonk my head on this, I just know it a couple times, that you stress the muscle out to the very maximum potential that you can. Obviously, if it's hurting your joints or something, stop. You want the muscle to hurt, not your joints. The reason that you rest is you deplete energy resources very quickly. You don't have to memorize this. I will not quiz you on it, I promise. But the energy resources that you deplete are adenosine triphosphate and creatine phosphate groups. It takes about a minute to partially replenish some of those, so I wait about 60 seconds in between every set, just so I can stress the muscles out to their maximum potential again. Now, some strength trainers, on the other hand, will actually wait 3 to 5 minutes between every set. And that way you just know that you're getting the maximum out of your workout.